The next generation AI website builder is here. World's first all-in-one AI site builder. Instantly creates ultra-lightning fast. With just a keyword in 60 seconds flat. With just a keyword in 60 seconds flat. World's first all-in-one. Without any technical skills or experience for a low one-time fee. Easily sell these types of websites to rabid buyers, like digital marketers, real estate business, entrepreneurs, restaurants, social media marketers, authors and publishers, e-commerce store owners, brick-and-mortar business owners, and many more. No monthly fee, no hosting fee ever. Cancel ClickFunnels, Shopify, and other complicated page builder. Why you'll love GoBuildr. $16x, cheaper, better, and easier than ClickFunnels, Convertri, Wix, Shopify, and other page builders. GoBuildr creates ultra-lightning fast websites, funnels, landing pages, e-com stores, dropshipping sites, LMS course sites, agency websites, digital marketplace, social media marketing website, appointment booking sites, affiliate sites. Create your own ultra-lightning fast-loading, functional websites from over 2,000 premium templates. Effortlessly build any type of marketing pages, in any niche, any language in few clicks. Build AI-assisted websites that auto-rank on Google for instant free traffic. Use world's most intuitive drag-and-drop website builder to edit your pages in few seconds. Create stunning websites, landing pages, and funnels with voice command. Fully mobile responsive and ad SEO optimized websites. Fully GDPR compliant websites. No tech skills or experience. Anyone can do this. Rest easy with our 180-day money-back guarantee. We've got you covered. Thousands of people like you are tapping into AI to create and sell high-converting, stunning websites. GoBuildr handles these high-paying web creation gigs with absolute ease. Meet GoBuildr, your all-in-one AI site builder. 160x, smarter and better than any page builder out there. If you thought ClickFunnels, Convertri, Shopify, or Wix was amazing, then GoBuildr will make you say, holy smokes. Yes, that's right, it's 16x better than any page builder out there because it combines all their functionality into one single app, and even better and smarter with our AI-assisted technology for a low one-time fee. GoBuildr can effortlessly create any type of websites for you and your clients. In 60 seconds flat, just 3 simple steps to create your own AI-powered, ultra-blazing fast-loading website. Step 1. Access. Click any of the yellow buy buttons on this page to get GoBuildr before the monthly fees kick in. Just a one-time price of $17. Step 2. Ask GoBuildr. Use keyword or voice command. Turn on your AI-assisted site builder to create any type of websites you want. Easy as flipping on a light switch. Step 3. Done. GoBuildr instantly creates and deploy your ultra-lightning fast website at the click of the mouse. No technical experience or hard work required. Yes, I want access to GoBuildr now. Access 12-in-1 AI site builder. Low one-time price. No monthly fees ever. 180-day money-back guarantee. Works flawlessly on any device. Click here to get GoBuildr now and get instant access. Normally 30-month or 297-year. Early bird discount for just $17 one time. GoBuildr can effortlessly create any type of websites for you and your clients. In 60 seconds flat, or in opt-into pages, instantly capture leads and grow your subscriber list with captivating opt-in pages that entice visitors to take action. 2 landing pages. Craft attention-grabbing landing pages effortlessly, designed to convert visitors into customers. 3 professional websites. GoBuildr can design sleek, sexy-looking websites for any kind of person or business. 4 sales funnels. Revolutionize your sales strategy with dynamic and high-converting sales funnels. 5 e-commerce stores. Establish your online store effortlessly with GoBuildr. 6 dropshipping websites. Dive into the world of dropshipping seamlessly. GoBuildr facilitates the creation of dropshipping sites. 7 LMS course websites. Educate and inspire your audience with engaging and intuitive learning management system, LMS, or course sites. 8. Agency websites. Showcase your agency's expertise and portfolio with professional and visually appealing websites. 9. Affiliate sites. Review websites. Maximize affiliate marketing efforts with GoBuildr's creation of affiliate sites that captivate and convert. Unlike other page builders, no difficult learning curve. There are zero hostage, no expensive subscription, low one-time FE. All you ever have to do is ask GoBuildr to build any type of website in just a click. Secure your license today and save with launch. Exclusive one-time pricing. Join it through my links in description to avail huge bonuses.